Good morning. I will take my coffee now, but it's just only coffee or maybe a little bit of sugar because that is a practice of typical Filipino. So I think I will add a little bit sugar. Half. That's okay. Brown sugar and half. So enough. So that's my coffee now. Is it? Oh, yeah. Okay. So this time I have an opportunity to measure my table area. And my measurement in full Excel is 39.5. Actually, it reduces half inch. The time now is 6:03 in the morning, and I already transferred the meal that I took previously, dinner or uh, lunch, but this time I changed to from dinner to or lunch from lunch to dinner into breakfast and lunch, either breakfast or lunch. So it just happens. It's a good indication that actually the body loss uh, could be could be could be achieved. So in due time, I will take my breakfast, courtesy of Toto Padrones. An opportunity to use my weighing scale, and today my kilo is I think 79.5 or almost 80. uh, I have field work activities, so from time to time I take water, so that's the 79.5 or just say 80. So I will maintain the kilo of 80. Okay. Morning, I already took my shower, and the food is already prepared by Toto, courtesy of Toto. Thank you, Toto Padrones. And uh, the I already prepared my food, and I am ready to take my humad one meal a day. This May 21, 2024, and the time is 6:22 in the morning here in the Philippines. So I'm ready now for my breakfast. So this is my breakfast now. 3 pieces of banana raw banana, 4 pieces of sunny side up egg, 1 piece salted fish or dried fish, and 1 smoked fish, or locally call it tinapa. So this is my breakfast, and this is the only and last meal for the day, May 21, 2024, and no other meal except of course uh, the intake of drinking water. And I have a new discovery that if you're going to continue to lose weight, you need to intake tap water or warm water, not cold, the cold one that I used to do it. Okay, this is my breakfast. Okay, to, kao na to. Day, mauna ko na yan. The time now is 6:30 in the morning. Wala. Ito na naman, luto lang yung ganisa kaya yung bata. Bata ko, no? I have a plan to convert the cold water into warm or either tap water. Because accordingly, tap water, or I mean warm water, could facilitate the burning of fats. I have 4 pieces of sunny side up egg and fish, cut of fish, smoked fish, and semi-dried fish. raw banana, not cooked. Because according to research, there's a lot of benefits, health benefits that could be obtained from eating raw banana. This is locally at Sabah, or in some other countries, they call it plantain. Especially those Indian people. I watch their blogs and they call it plantain. Kaya na?
Wala, ang kain, sir.
Hmm?
Kanin.
Mas may ano?
Hindi ka lang kakain.
Hindi. Walang ano. Walang kanin. Ay, wait, kanin na. Aw.
No rice. So, kain ka.
Sir. Mayroon, no? Goreng mo na. Hindi sa inyo?
Ako rin, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng po? Ibig sabihin ng karta sa tayo. Hindi ako. Gusto na ka, boss?
Okay na?
Dito nga siya lunga daw. Ay. Nako mo na. Bata-bata ka sa buking ka.
Excuse me.
Kaya ay yung bus.
Diyan ka lang?
Lungang alak.
Damo na?
Ang energy.
Pag nakaislog na yun. Diyan.
Amo nang tama, sada ka makaon ka para makafunction ka sa ubra mo.
Kaya nga.
Ay sa gutom mo, maghapon pa naman ang ubra.
Tapos sa gabi, yan, no? Tulog man lang.
Pero one day meal ka lang gidya. Water na lang or fruits. So, na.
Amo na ni katipid, pag di pa tamayaman sila, awang ko na lang.
Sa ka na naman tao.
Ano ba nga naman kapapordol sa'yo mo? Mamili ka ng pagkaon eh.
Pili ano? Inap.
Iwan siya.
I will add one.
Ito pala ka mo. Dito sa alak. Yan. Kangkol.
Pao. Nag-open si Auntie Ralyn siyang restaurant sa London. Ang second sa London. Alam mo naman itong pag-booking namin na padala sa 10,000 namin. Okay. Puro pinay na yung stock. Yaman naman din sa mga.
Yo. Sige to.
Oh, gahog pa daw.